Get a people, a full time on the stop fall for them tricks, yeah. This how the politician them always introduce themselves. Just notice, watch and learn.
Hello there, sir. How's everything going on? My name is Mr. Fix. I'm the new MP for this division. I'm just checking around, speaking with the residents to see how best we can assess you guys. Because when I look at the deplorable condition the community is in, I definitely have to go work on it right now, ASAP.
As usual, sound convincing and always have two dirty corner boy behind them. Boy, I know long me there, I can't know what the council for division all along. Boy, I don't know. We don't need to do something around us saying, I don't need to do something. But anyway, then call me Old Breaks. And this I'm like a precious granddaughter, then call her Pinky. As I can't hear what they say, be a gunshot fire. Can't put a stop to it to me, please? The road them need for fix. We definitely need some help in the community. People must struggle.
Thank you for your concern, Mr. Old Breaks. Don't worry. Consider it done.
Yeah, well, go on, Mr. Breaks. Everything all right. Remember, we?
Yeah, man, I say nice and start, people. Them as a girl nice and make look like you and my friend. Map out and say who own which business and who live which part. Because when them ready, I extension have a start. Oh, I want to say with the politician, them is a fix.
Yeah, me hell, man. We just got you want to check on the people and make sure everybody all right. So, yeah, grocery store this.
As I can say, it's a grocery. I sell like egg and bread and milk from time to time. Not much not really go on because everybody broke, but, you know, I go and do my little thing.
Yeah, I understand what I say. You don't know it go All Breaks, man. You don't know we cover your place. A place lock, man. Nobody can violate you. You're hell in the place now. Respect the hell of them, is it?
All right, you know what? Go. Don't ready to stop, man. I my place this. Don't take care of yourself.
All right, that's all right, Ella. Respect. We are going to road there.
And then the mapping out continue.
Yeah, matches stick, man. All like the place look good, and I know we want to control the place. Yeah, if everybody give us something, you know, nice in a matches stick. Yeah, man, you don't know it go. Just give the politician boy theme part 2 and we just do what we have to do.
Yeah, you're like a dirty corner boy, them.
Yeah, father, go down the road and see what I go on.
So you see it though, people. You see a politician let off like a dirty criminal and that come into like pestilence of people life.
I go on, my boss, me have everything, you know.
So I go on over there. Everybody all right? Everybody take care of people that cooperate.
Yeah, me hell, Mr. Fix, man. Where you say, man? You don't know weed up on the ground and everything, like, man. Don't worry yourself, man. People are alright, man. We'll try to see if we can keep up treat and them things there for the youth them later. Because you know it going away to make them feel good. You understand? Just to keep the operation going.
Alright, take care of yourself. If anything, let me know where I go on.
As man in light, watch them.
All Breaks. The elder.
You my dirty boy, every day them come and place from beg. I want to them, man. Oh, no, where I go on? Come and say, who wake me up so early in the morning now. Don't know nobody there yesterday, man. I left late last night. No, I come back so early. I want, you know, all right? Boy, I even start making the money yet. Nobody come buy nothing yet. They are hungry and tired.
Yeah, we always have to wake up early. I'm so early bird catch most worm and all Breaks, is it? So, we're there early. You know that thing I want to talk to you upon, though?
I say nice and start now. But this is how we do them. Because most of them love them belly and them know you cook food. On the side, them going to want box food too. So this is how you do them.
Yeah, we say, we want you to top up nothing the little more, because we think about did one treat for the youth them in the community, is it? Some back to school things, so you know the thing going on All Breaks. Just do what you have to do, alright? Don't say a word.
That's if you try to explain to them again. Because them dirty criminal, yeah, them not have nothing in them conscience. Don't tell them boy no money or nothing. Because once you have shop, kill them dead or rich. So this is how we simple to them. Because them love them belly, some of them, you know. Alright, me see what I can do. Well, wife is supposed to finish, you know, because she look at some ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling and plantain on the side. You know want some? Then now say boy not even wash them face or brush them teeth from morning. So right now then they are hungry. So them all say yes.
Oh, yeah, so All Breaks, man. Them good chunk breakfast, so wife you get, you must love your wife, you know. Yeah, man. So want to Pinky, she can cook too?
Them ask for your granddaughter, because she young, fresh and green. You know them have dirty intention already, but don't worry. Just use the one stone and kill the two drunk of them. Alright, may I come?
Hey, boy, match stick. Hey, you take the wife, me take the granddaughter, yeah?
Alright, you know what, them eat up, yeah?
Respect All Breaks, you're a good man, you know.
You don't want to look at more green sauce on it?
No. Yeah, we're good, Ella, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Take care of yourself. Alright, we chat.
Actually, look at that since I'm going down the road now. 2 big plate of food. Kill them dead good, you know. But this a kalanga water I have on saltfish because I mix this back and put on the food. I know that I wake up tomorrow morning. Just as that, people. Easy way to get rid of dirty criminal.